Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about the MTH501 final terms MCQs. So let's start the video. First of all, let v equal to 1 comma minus 2 2 and 0, then unit vector in the same direction as v is, and the answer is 1 over 3 comma minus 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3 and 0. Next is let u equal to 3 comma minus 2 and v equal to 4 comma 5 for the weighted Euclidean inner product u and v. 4 equal to 4 u1 v1 plus 5 u2 v2, and the answer is minus 2. Next question is let v equal to 0 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1, the unit vector in the same direction as v is, and the answer is 0 comma 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3 comma 1 by 3. Next question is suppose that a equal to 1.25 minus 0.75 minus 0.75 and 1.25 has eigenvalues 2 and 0.5, then origin is a saddle point. Next question is suppose that a equal to 0.5 0.6 minus 0.3 and 1.4 has eigenvalues 0.8 and 1.1, then origin is a saddle point. Next question is if A is an M into N matrix with a linearly independent column of vectors, then A can be factored as A equal to Q, or where Q is a M into N matrix with orthonormal column vector and R is an N to N upper triangular matrix. Next question is the matrix equation A power T A into X unit vector equal to A power T into B represents the system of linear equation commonly referred to as the normal equations for X unit. Next question, by the best approximation theorem, the distinct form of y to y is double modulus y minus y unit, where y unit equal to proj wy, proj wy. Double modulus u plus v plus w less than or equal to modulus u plus modulus v modulus w for all vectors uv and w in an inner product space, and the answer is true. Next question is the dominant eigenvalue for the matrix A equal to 0 0 2 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 minus 3 0 0 0 0 1, and the answer is lambda equal to minus 3. Next question is a square matrix A is invertible if and only if x is equal to 0 is not an eigenvalue of A, and the answer is true. Next question is a square matrix with orthogonal columns dash matrix, click on the most appropriate, and the answer is an orthogonal. Next question is if two rows are orthogonal they are dash, and the answer is linearly independent. Next question is if x is orthogonal to both u and v, then x must be dash to u plus v, and the answer is orthonormal. Next question is the given system 2x plus 3y equal to 3, 6x plus 9y equal to 6 has no solution. Next question is which statement about the matrix 1 0 0 0 7 2 0 0 9 1 2 0 5 4 2 minus 1 is false? Here is no answer, so leave this. Next question is if A equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22 is diagonalizable, then A has two distinct eigenvalues. True answer. 0 1 and 1 0 is the answer, correct answer. Okay. Next is A is diagonalizable if A equal to PDP inverse where, and the answer is D is a diagonal matrix and P is an invertible matrix. Leave this. If a set S is equal to 1 comma x square is a basis for P2 and P power I, and modulus base S is equal to 2, 4, 7, then which of the following is the most appropriate option? And the answer is P2 is equal to 2 plus 4x plus 7x square. Next question is which of the following is the set of standard bases for R3? And the answer is 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Next question is consider the basis for R square given by B equal to B1, comma B1 power 1, B2 power 1 and C is equal to C base 1 power R, C2 power R, where B base 1 power R equal to 1 0, B base 2 power R equal to minus 1 and 1, C base 1 R power R is equal to minus 5 by 3 and C2 power R equal to minus 2 and 1. Also assume that P belongs to B to C is equal to minus 2, minus 1, 3 and 1. Then which of the following is the change of coordinates matrix from B to C? And the answer is P C to B is equal to minus 5, minus 2 and 3 and 1. Next question is if the integral term of a typical signal is zero point 0.6 power k, then determine which of the following is the signal for k equal to minus 2. And the answer is zero point 0.6 whole power minus 2 equal to 1 divided by zero point 0.6 whole square. Next question is if the causality matrix is not invertible, then which of the following is the most appropriate option regarding the associated signals? And the answer is the signals are linearly independent. Next question is if y of base k equal to dash 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 dot 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 1 comma 0.7 comma 0 comma minus 0.7 comma minus 1 comma minus 0.7 0 comma 0.71 comma 0.7 comma 0 dot 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 and 0.35 y base k plus 2 plus 0.6 y k base k plus 1 plus 0.42 y base k equal to z base k, where k equal to 0, and then which of the following is the value of z 0? And the answer is minus 0.770. Next question is suppose that b equal to b1 b2 is a basis for v and c equal to c1 c2 c3 is basis for w dot let t belongs to v to w be a linear transformation with the property that t of b1 equal to 5c1 minus 2c2 plus 3c3 and t of b2 equal to 4c1 minus c2 plus 7c3. Determine the value of t into b2 whole c. And here is no answer, so leave this. Which statement is about the general least square method is true? And this method find x that makes x as close as possible to the b. Next is let v equal to 1 comma minus 2 2 and 0. The unit vector in the same direction as v is 1 over 3 comma minus 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3 and 0. Next question is let v equal to 1 comma minus 2 2 and 0. The unit vector in the same direction as v has magnitude 3. Next question is let I power 3 have the equidistant inner product, then u equal to 2 comma 1 comma 3 v equal to 1 comma 7 comma 3 are the orthogonal for. Here is no answer, leave this. Suppose that a equal to 0.5, 0.6, minus 0.3 and 1.4 has eigenvalue 0.8 and 1.1, then origin is a saddle point. Suppose that a equal to 0.5, 0.6, minus 0.3, 1.4 has eigenvalue 0.8 and 1.1, then origin is saddle point. Next is if a is If A is an M into N matrix with a linearly independent column vectors, then A can be factored as A equal to QR, where Q is a M into N matrix with orthonormal column vectors and R is an N to N upper triangular matrix. So hope you guys you enjoyed the video. For more videos, subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.